back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
My, they had to go all the way there to get an announcer, but you do a great job, pal. We're glad to have you here.
Well, I'll tell you, thank you, Jamie. Let's go ahead. You got Corey Brock in that number 28 machine out on the Speedway, as he will be out of. Thanks, Jamie. You're awesome. As I'm sitting here trying to read, as you know these guys better than I do. Oh, my.
Car, one of our Lewis in honor of him. So Corey Brock's carrying on his honor. And we want to give a shout out to them. Boy, nice looking hot rod in that number 4. Just went by us, pal.
Jamie, I got Chris Chandler also out there. Out of Weaverville, North Carolina. He'll be out there as well here tonight. And, there's the number 19B. That's going to be Matthew Porter in that Porter Services machine. And I'll tell you, he's also got Western Excavation. And I give a big shout out to Matthew Porter here tonight because he is the reason why I am here tonight. So, big shout out to Matthew Porter, that number 19B machine out of the Western Excavation, our brand new yellow flag sponsor of the evening. Alrighty, so we're going to get ready to go for the first session of Hot Laps here tonight as the Pro Late Models are out here for the American All-Star Series. As we are green flag at this time, we'll get a little bit of pace laps as the 0 Jake Madden is on the Speedway as well. Green flag is out here as we got the number 28. We're going to pump some smoke coming out there through the backstretch, and he will be able to get that car gathered around. As hot laps are starting to score here for the American All-Star Series, as I am waiting for a couple to start lining up here. Jake Madden going to be the fastest overall with a 15.401. Corey Brock out there with a 15.624. Chris Chandler out there with a 14.908. And Matthew Porter going to be fourth quick so far. As we are getting ready to go here, white flag shall be in the air for your first session of Hot Laps here for the American All-Star Series here at the Hidden Hollow Speedway.
On the first lap.
So you think our point leader, Tyler Arrington or Brandon Fouts or not Kenny Chesney, I always say that every time, but Joshua Chesney, which he is related to, and that Chesney's logistics number 5. You got the number 73, Trevor Size, going to be on the Speedway of the PPM Racing Products XSR batteries, number 73. Do not count out Ryan Smith, by the way, either in that Dalton Direct Carpets Low Trucking number 4. And you got a 1-star that I'm not quite familiar with, and that's going to be Veronica McCann on the Speedway.
Away from Australia, and a little bit of tidbit. She's driving the last Bloomquist chassis. That car is a Bloomquist chassis, one of the last ones to be out there. And so maybe a little something extra there. She had a top 5 finish last time we were here, brother.
All the way from down under and in a Scott Bloomquist chassis. Rest in peace, my friend. But my goodness, talk about a surprise here tonight at the Hidden Hollow Speedway.
Open wheel modified. Your final call, guys. We won't do this all night. Open wheel modified. You need to be staged and ready to go. Sport Mods, make your final adjustment. Sport Mods, make your final adjustment.
Well, here comes a throttle stomper. Steve Stallings going to be here as well. And alrighty, so like I said, we got Chris Chandler and company going to be overall quick time of the 14.735, and Nigel Nichols in that number 10 N-Rod will be out here in the Speedway as well. So a good, decent field cards here for this makeup race here for the Hidden Hollow Speedway for the American All-Star Series. As we're ready to go for more hot lap action here tonight, as it's still Chris Chandler overall quick time with a 14.735. We'll see what we got going on here in 3 and 2 and 1. Green flag is out. Here we go. Veronica McCann will be the green flag car here for the American All-Star Series Hot Laps, as we'll see what she can do here out of Australia. Lap time's going to start going on here as it's still Chris Chandler overall this time. Tyler Arrington second quick. Well, there's Trevor Sides quick time overall with a 14.593. 14.593 for Trevor Size. As it'll be Chris Chandler, Ryan Smith going to be the top 3. Trevor Size still quick time overall. He'll be your hot lap hero. 14.593, he says. As Trevor Size, Chris Chandler, Brandon Phelps now will crack the top 3 with a 14.874. Trevor Size even faster now with a 14.593 overall. Oscar McCown going to go second quick with Chris Chandler. Brandon Phelps and Ryan Smith going to be your top 5.